In this video, I want to show you how to print a picture on photo paper. Over here we have a 4x6 picture on glossy paper with your Canon Pixma TS7720 or similar TS models. So let's get started right away. I will do it using my iPhone, but you can do the same thing with an Android, with a Mac computer, or even a PC computer. So all you have to do is to take your photo paper. This is a 4x6 with a glossy side, and I'll put links in the description if you don't have photo paper towards Amazon if you want to get some. So the photo paper that is 4x6 will not go in the usual paper input right in the front here. This printer has a paper input in the back made for this. So let's go over there. So this is the back of the printer. It has this small cover that we need to open. You're gonna notice there is this paper rest, I don't know how you call it, okay, and these blue guides. So you're gonna put the blue guides, okay, to the extremities. Take your photo paper, again, this is 4x6, and you're gonna place it with the glossy side facing the front of the printer. Put it in the middle. Then you're gonna take these blue guides and you're gonna bring them closer to each other, but make sure that they're not touching the paper, okay? Don't squeeze the paper the way it is right now. Okay, this is just so that the photo paper doesn't come crooked inside. It needs to go straight in. So that's the role of these blue guides. Okay, don't close this. On the printer display, you're gonna press the settings icon. You're gonna select feed settings and rear tray paper settings, the first option. Now, by default, it thinks that we have a plain paper letter size, and this is not what we have input there. So you're going to press change, and you're going to select which kind of photo paper you have there. So in my case, it's 4x6. So here it is, 4x6. I'll tap on it, and then I'll select what kind of paper it is. Whoops, let me go back here. So 4x6. And in my case, it's glossy paper, so I have to scroll down and select glossy instead. Now press yes, and the information has been saved. At this point, you probably already have the Canon app on your iPhone or Android. If you're on a PC or Mac computer, is almost the same thing. So simply open the app. As you see, this is my Canon TS7720 series. The printer is a 7720, but you get the idea. It's the same thing. You're going to press on photo print. And then you're going to select where is the photo that you want to print located. In my case, it's on my phone, so I'll select smartphone. I'm going to have my photo gallery, and all I have to do is to find the picture. Once you have selected the picture you want to print, you're going to see over here one image, press next. So this is the picture, and all I have to do now is to select print settings over here. Make sure these settings are matching whatever you're trying to print. So the number of copies, the paper size, the media type. So in my case over here, it's on glossy paper. So I will select glossy paper. Where is it? Over here, glossy photo paper. And there's other options, including if you want borders, black and white or color, and other things. Over here, if you see sharpness, by the way, press select off, and auto photo fix, press off as well. I don't want the app to modify my picture so it looks better, because most of the time it doesn't know what looks better means. Anyway, once you are done, press back over here, press no. You can crop the picture, so by pressing over here, you can zoom in. Let's say I want this cat face to be quite large. I'll place it exactly as I want it. You can also rotate if you're not happy. Press OK. and then select print. You can open the paper output and wait. And here is the result. Very beautiful. Looks very accurate. And yeah, you just printed on photo paper a picture with your Canon TS7720 or similar printer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, again, check my Amazon links to get some glossy paper. Subscribe, like, comment. Okay, leave a comment. I want to know what you think about this, and I'll see you in the next one.